Another one under contract at full price in just 2 days. Welcome to 500 Bautos Seville Street Southeast in Palm Bay, Florida. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that buyers fell in love with fast. Step through the covered entry into bright, light-filled, formal living and dining rooms. Those formal spaces open into a spacious great room built for gathering. The open layout flows seamlessly from the living area straight into the kitchen. And the kitchen shines. Warm oak cabinetry, brand new stainless appliances, and plenty of room for a breakfast nook. Brand new, never used appliances mean the next owner has nothing to do but cook. The generous primary bedroom offers a true retreat at the end of the day. 2 full baths feature a spa-style garden tub and a separate glass shower. A second vanity bath keeps mornings easy for the whole household. Additional bedrooms are bright and roomy, with rich wood and easy care floors throughout. There's a dedicated indoor laundry room, and the washer and dryer are included in the sale. Out back, a covered lanai and large concrete deck overlook an expansive fenced yard framed by mature palms. Room to relax, entertain, and play. On a quiet, established street with quick access to Interstate 95, shopping, and the Space Coast beaches. And the big stuff is done. A new 2026 roof, new 2026 HVAC, and fresh 2026 interior paint. Major peace of mind built right in. Thinking of selling. This is what the right marketing does. Full price in just 2 days. Call or text me at 321-373-3536. I'm Ryan Solberg with MaxLife Realty.